How to accept friend requests on Apex Legend. In this video, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to accept friend requests on Apex Legend. As you guys know, Apex Legend is an online multiplayer game where you have your team and your opposite team, which battle it out to see who wins the game. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your game and make sure that you are logged in. And on your game, you'll find the little plus icon if you are on your lobby. So you can click on the plus icon to invite your friends. So if you have any friends that are online, you can just click on their name to give them an invite. So just go ahead and click on the plus icon and you should be able to invite your friends. Now, in order to view who has sent you a friend request or accept any kind of request that you've gotten, you're going to need to find the friends option, which is at the bottom right corner, right besides the gear icon. Click on it and you'll be taken to the friends page. And on the left side, you have your party privacy, then your last squad, and then finally your friend requests. Make sure the friend request is set to display and not deny. So if you set this to deny all, then you won't be able to receive any kind of friend requests. So make sure that this is set to display. And if you have gotten any friend requests, it will be shown on the right side of your screen. And there you'll have an option to accept the request. Once you've accepted the request, you can just go ahead and click on the Find Friends option. If you want to search them using the username, you could just go ahead and find them by just searching for their username. Click on Send Friend Request, and if they accept your request, you should be able to invite them while you play. And now you can choose different kind of game modes that to start playing, like orientation match, rank leagues, controls, training, firing range, or any other mode. Once you've selected it, you should be able to play it with your friends. Now just go ahead and click on the friend's name to send them an invite if they are online, and that's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.